Hi everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the Spotlight series. I'm Suman Agarwal, co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute. I also pioneered the concept of image management in 2009. And my guest for today is Shraddha Agarwal from Jaipur. She is a certified image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So let's see if Shraddha is already joined in. Yes, I can see Shraddha. She's already here and I'm accepting her request. Hello.
Yes, hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Good, good, good. Good to see you here on this platform.
Thank you. Thank you. Am I audible enough?
Yes, yes,
Great.
absolutely.
Great.
Loud and clear.
Awesome.
So you're the second consecutive person from Jaipur.
Yes.
So we had Khushbu previously and now it's
Correct.
you. And
Yes.
it's great to have you here.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity.
So tell me, Shraddha, what were you doing prior to joining ICBI?
So, before ICBI, I was in a corporate job. I had finished my CA and I joined a consulting firm. It was in the HR space, where we were, designing reward system, leadership and development, and organization structuring. So it was a great first job. I was there for about 3.5 good years. A lot of learning and insights about the corporate world. Through those 3.5 years, while I learned a lot, I did realize that this is not something that I want to do all my life, or I see myself doing that. And that's when, in that phase of introspection, ICBI happened.
So from becoming a CA to becoming an image consultant all of a sudden, I mean, how did this entire change take place? Because usually CA ही बनते हैं, image consultant नहीं बनते हैं. तो ये कैसे हुआ? I mean, how did this change happen? I mean, did your
Yeah.
parents willingly accept this change, or there was a lot of difficulty in convincing them that now I am a CA, but now I want to become an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So please accept this fact that I'm going to be an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So how did the whole process really take place?
Yeah, so I mean, a lot of people ask me that, and so when I was pursuing CA, I will begin with the start. While I was pursuing CA, see, that was not a decision I made for myself. At that point, I was young. I was unclear of what I wanted to do in future. My parents thought, having a professional degree is good, so they said, go for CA. And since I was not clear of what I wanted to do, I took that up. I cleared everything. Once I finished my CA, I was clear that I don't think I see myself doing a tax and an audit full-time job all my life. Therefore, that was my first step where I changed my career and got into consulting, where where I wanted to interact with the client on a daily basis. Like, I wanted that to happen. I wanted communication to be there. I wanted some people interaction to be there. So I was very clear that I want to get into a job where I'm able to communicate with people, forge relationships and develop that. Joined consulting firm, learned a lot, 3.5 years. Post that, I started begin to realize, say around after 3 years, that corporate job, that was not something that it matched my internal values, or it is something I see myself doing, the cutthroat competition, the 9 to 5 hustle, and or more than that, I didn't. And I went through this entire year of introspection, that what is it that I want to do, what is it that I see myself doing. I had a friend who was an image consultant. At that point, the field was very, very new. So I myself didn't know about it. But since she was there, I kind of inquired. I have come to the Image Institute. I spoke to Rakesha so many times. It was a year that it finally, after a year, I took that decision ki no, I want to do this. Right? Of course, my parents were hesitant. I wouldn't deny that. Everyone around me was also very hesitant, to come into a field which no one was aware of, an absolute like a poles apart, field to come. It wasn't very something that people were accepting of. But then I had decided that I'm going to give myself this time, and the inspiration of joining this course was that I had nothing to lose. मैंने ये सोचा था ठीक है चलो मैं ज्वाइन कर लेती हूँ, ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये होगा that I might not choose this as my career, that is the maximum that would have happened, but at least I would learn something, ऐसे वो personal investment जैसे, that's what made me take that risk कि चलो let me just do it, नहीं होगा ठीक है, I have my CA degree, I will get back to a corporate job if this doesn't work for me. So I left my high-paying, high-flying job, took this risk, and trust me, it has been the best decision of my life.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So as an image consultant and a soft skills trainer, what kind of assignments do you undertake and what is your biggest USP?
So when I started my journey of, when I started Personage House, my venture, and when I started pursuing clients in this area, I actually initially got a lot of corporate trainings, corporate trainings, corporate consultations, CXO level, middle level. Maybe it's because the background that I came from, I had friends in the industry. So through word of mouth, they came to know this something I did. So they invited me, they did a session with me. They, also referred me to others. So corporate became my niche, and that is something I really, really enjoyed doing. Because also having an experience of a corporate job, I understood that, what are some of the challenges that people face at a personal level, at a professional level, what is really required to grow up the ladder. So I could bring in my personal experiences within my training and therefore create that impact. So the unique, the USP of all my trainings, if you see, of all the trainings that I have done, I have created customized trainings for each of my clients. In our first meeting, I would understand, okay, what is it that they want to do, where, what is the final outcome that they are looking out, and I would create something very, very customized for them. It might be a hybrid model, one-on-one we kar liya, group trainings we kar li, or just a group trainings. I would also then take a feedback and review it ahead, but I would create something that was special to them. And I think that is what most of my clients, they loved, and all of them 100% got back to me for the second time, come ahead and take more trainings or do this, because of the personalized services that I could offer them.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So I mean, was corporate more close to you because you came with that CA background? Is that the reason why you completely jumped into corporate to begin with?
So initially, actually, the corporate work only came to me. So, some of my initial work that I was getting, I was actually just getting corporate trainings. Do a sales training or do a etiquette, professional etiquette training. My initial work only started in that manner. Once I actually started doing, I started also enjoying the process. While I also did, children etiquette, I also did for housewives, I did even for college students. But then while doing corporate, I found that, that was something that I really enjoyed doing, and I could bring in a lot more to the table than any of the fields. So therefore, that's how it started becoming my niche.
Okay. All right. Great. So what is that one experience you would like to share with us, which is absolutely close to your heart?
Absolutely close to my heart. So, okay. So, in image, while we were doing this image sessions, there is this face shape, face analysis session that we had, right? And after that session, I was experimenting with, of course, hairstyles and all of that. So my mom, she comes from a very simple background. She's a very simple lady, and who's not as much into grooming and all. Like very simple, you अपने normal clothes पहन लिए and all, just go ahead. So she had this like short hair and she would tie it in a pony. That's what it is. We all knew that, you know, everything was perfect, but somehow the hairstyle wasn't in place. And okay, through that experiment and all of that, I suggested another hairstyle for her, which till date she does that. And once that happened, after that, we'd gone out for a dinner. So we went dinner with some close friends while coming back. And, you know, my dad, just out of the blue, he says, thank you, Shraddha, for doing this for your mom. It really has changed her in 30 years. And I don't know why I don't know, that was an emotional moment, or that was a moment that I was really proud of what I was doing. Uh, I don't know, it just gave me a joy to another level. So I think that moment, I don't know, still I really think of, and on days where I feel low, I always think of that moment, and I feel that there have been many people who have been grateful to me or thankful to me for bringing that change, and that is what inspires me to do good further.
Amazing. And I'm sure that, you know, these kind of moments really bring joy back into your life, because whenever you look back and you think of these kind of moments, I mean, you always feel very delightful about the fact that, you know, you've done something, although this is something not something very big, but these small joys in life really make a huge amount of difference, right?
Right. So, you know, when I'm actually telling this to someone, as you said, कि हाँ ठीक है, किसी को नहीं लगता it's a big thing, you know, एक hairstyle change करना is not a big thing, but I wish I could, you know, at this point show you my mom's before and after photos, and she has gone through that entire transformation journey. So after like say 45, 50 odd years, you know, finding herself and finding her happiness within herself, it's a different joy as a daughter that I get to see. You know, that is the closest contribution that I could make using the knowledge that I have.
And I think the best part about becoming an image consultant is, Shraddha, that everybody gets affected by the concept. It's not just you as an image consultant, it's everybody you know, who are a part and parcel of our family, our world.
Yeah.
You know, our small world, our big world, whoever is there as a part of our world, they do get affected directly or indirectly, you know. I mean, they get affected positively by
Absolutely.
the concept of image management.
Absolutely. And I, you know, especially like being a woman, okay, or being in that, you know, you know, like, you know, your dad, you're very close to your family, you have that, you know, you have that soft corner. Also, then you get married and then you have your own child. The number of lives that you directly have impact on is a lot more. Now that I'm a mother, I can see that, you know, the way I am trying to nurture my child or bring her up is quite different because of the knowledge that I have had. And I, of course, every mother wants the best for their child or for their family, and they're able to contribute positively.
Absolutely.
So I think, you know, once you get into this image consulting, you at least your entire close circle, definitely indirectly, directly, there is a big impact on them.
Yeah. And then, I mean, it's beyond your control, but you will definitely do certain things that will definitely make a difference to the life of your family members, of your friends. So somewhere, I mean, I always feel that image management does make good changes to you, to your family, to your friends, to all those people who are directly or indirectly related to you in some way or the other.
Absolutely. I mean, I think this entire field, you know, not even personally, just professionally also, what any work that you're doing, any training you're doing, any consultation you're doing, trust me, you are contributing. Even if it may be like a 2%, 3%, that is a big thing to, you know, change a person's perspective towards something or change a person for something for good. They really, really are thankful, if not directly to you, but somewhere subconsciously, they are thankful to you that you brought that change. So there is no better joy in helping someone grow, you know, in helping someone be their best.
So in a way, you become a true enhancer. You know, I mean, as an image consultant, you are enhancing the lives of people who are related to you in some way or the other, isn't it?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great. So that is something which is absolutely positive, about being an image consultant.
Yeah.
So tell me, how did you get your first paid client?
Oh, it's a very funny story. I remember 2016 Jan, I had launched Personage House, and the first thing that I did, because time website nahi thi, the first thing I did was set up a Facebook account. कि ठीक है, कुछ social media करना. Instagram wasn't that big at that point in time, and website would have taken some time. And 2-3 days of launch of my website, I get a message, and he was a CXO of a very reputed company of India. He messaged me, and I couldn't believe that he approached me through Facebook. Like I just thought that maybe all this is a prank, and I took it up. I said, okay, let's meet. He called me to his office, and we did the entire. He went to the need analysis, the lifestyle clinic, and the suggestion. We did that session. So my first client was from an unexpected place called Facebook. So you just never know how the work comes to you. It's just that you just keep doing, and work kept flowing in.
So that must be like something really amazing, because you didn't expect something like this, and it just happened all of a sudden.
Absolutely. And I didn't even have my business cards ready or a pamphlet ready or anything. And I had a meeting 2 days back. So I remember that I sat through the night. But I created my card online, uska print liya. I created the entire pamphlet of how I'm going to go, because since he was a CXO of a very reputed company, I knew I couldn't look like someone that I'm not a professional, or someone who wouldn't do a good job. So I prepped 2 days very, very well, and the moment I went for the meeting and everything, and it just got converted. So it was great.
So how was the experience? Was it like worth the entire process that you went through?
Absolutely. So a lot of in our course, like after you finish all your content with all those mock trainings and all are there. Trust me, while I was doing my first the need analysis, the lifestyle clinic, I was actually just thinking of those mocks, that I should ask in such a way which looks professional, and in a conversation and all of that. And he was so impressed, and it just got converted. I did the entire his lookbook I did, and we had a shopping a little bit, the recommendation and all. It just got converted. So the content that we have, or at what we learn at ICBI, it is so thorough, it is so technical and scientific that if you really learn through it, believe through it, you can give really good recommendations which people will actually believe, because it's something you're saying scientific. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम हवा में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे बोलने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. And that's what people like about you, or the clients like about you, that you're giving something scientific, something concrete. That is what they appreciate, and that is what they are paying for.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Shraddha, tell me, how have you evolved both personally and professionally by doing this ICBI program?
Wow. So personally, it has been such a beautiful journey, because I was a different person when I joined the person. I still have the first picture जो आपके साथ ही थी, the first day of class you walked in and you didn't invite me.
Yeah, I still have that.
Yeah. So I was a very different person. Of course, I did have confidence, but not as much. I didn't know myself as much, through all the soft skills class, through all the image class, through all the wonderful trainers that I have met, the experiences they share, your colleagues share. It really made me understand myself a lot more, which made me more comfortable with myself. The more, and this image, forget anyone else, I have been through a transformation journey while I did the course. My dressing changed, the way I spoke changed, the way I was communicating with people changed, all for better. So it has really, really personally changed me a lot. And today, whatever I am, in terms of the person that people like, of course, some qualities were there, but the qualities that came out, I think it was all because of the course that I took up. And
So do
professionally,
you
it has been a big tick because सब चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में एक बिजनेस खुद का हो, you know, something you've done on your own, you made something on your own, and I'm so happy that I could do that with the constant, you know, support and seeing everyone, of course, support from ICB and everyone, that I could set up something of my own and I could on my own run a business single-handedly and make profit.
Absolutely. Oh, absolutely. That is something really amazing. But tell me honestly, I mean, do you think that this course really, uh, truly, in true sense, enhances people from inside out?
It does. It does. So I'll give you an example. So one of my biggest client had come through a reference from ICBI Goa. You know, it had come, it was based in Bombay. They'd said me that they know, and I kind of went, and that got converted. It was a mid-sized firm, and they were looking to groom some of their 8 high performers. And we did an extensive 6 to 7 months program with them, where it was a mix of, you know, one-on-one consultation, and we did group trainings and all of them. They are still my friends. They're there all on my social media and all of that. By the end of it, you know, say about 6 months and 9 months, I was in touch with him. The CEO himself said that he could see a drastic improvement in their productivity. They have personally also evolved, and because of their personal involvement, they've been able to work so much or contribute so much better at their workplace. Right? Of course, we are in a field जहाँ पे, you know, direct measure नहीं है कि इतना sales कर लिया. It's not like sales that you have numbers attached. But if you're in constant touch with your clients, and you keep a check with you know, with the CEO or with anyone, with personally, every 3 months, every month, every 6 months, you will be able to point out small changes which are playing a big role in their day-to-day life. So something, see, very simple, like I told you of my mom, like a hairstyle. बहुत छोटी बात है, but it has changed her persona. Right? It has changed the way she comes across. It's a big change.
And how people see her, how people perceive her. That
absolutely. And the confidence which she has, and goes with a lot of other people. It's the confidence, it's that belief in yourself that, you know, as consultants and trainers, we kind of help people find. That's so important.
So, do you think that image management, the concept of image management, is for only rich and famous, or it is for all strata, people from all strata? I mean, what do you think? What is your point of view on that?
I feel that, you know, image consulting or image management, it's like a buffet. There is something for everyone. It's like a, you know, lavish buffet where everyone, be it, you know, if you talk about economy, like, you know, the higher strata, lower strata, middle strata, or if you talk about genres, you know, women, men, or children, or if you talk about a different age group like housewives, or a professional working, or a college person, there is something for everyone. You know, I don't think that you know, the course is so extensive that no one could benefit from us. I don't think I've met anyone till date, and I don't think that's there is something for everyone for sure.
Absolutely, because there are a lot of people who have this mindset that this probably is only for HNIs or for rich and famous only, because you know, because image consultants are perceived to be people who are only going to be catering to rich and famous kind of segment only. But let me also make it very clear that we do deal with people who are from every segment of the society. So we
Absolutely.
have.
So like a lot of our consultants, they are working in so many different, someone is doing, you know, for kids, someone is doing for women, someone is doing for professionals. Everyone is working so differently. Also, see, me coming, you know, I shifted my base from Mumbai to Jaipur. In Mumbai, I was doing hardcore corporate trainings, corporate job. Here, I'm handling, you know, a group of colleges. My focus area is students. And now that I'm in Jaipur, I do realize that uh, over here the need for image management is so much more than people in tier 1 cities, because the aspirations are so high. They really want to you know, enhance themselves. They want to be at par with everyone. So there is so much in every field that you can contribute. And as image consultants, there is no barrier कि आप सिर्फ इतना कर सकते हो या सिर्फ इनके लिए कर सकते हो. There is something for everyone.
Absolutely. And I mean, who would know better than us, because you are also a chapter president of Image Management Professionals Association. And we all know that IMPA has done so much work for the underprivileged segment.
Yes.
We have done so much work for the maid in heaven, the maid segment. I mean, the maids in general. We are doing so much work for Jhajjar Jail, Tihar Jail, so the inmates of Jhajjar Jail, Tihar Jail. So, I mean, that way, I mean, we have done so much work. So, there are a lot of people who are doing so much work for different segment of the society. I mean, it's commendable the kind of work that, image professionals have done for all these kind of people. So, I mean, it's not just for rich and famous, it's for every segment of the society that we are looking after. So
it's absolutely true. And it's like, it's those people, like as we said, our Made in Heaven, that project, and as well as inmates of the jails and all. I mean, giving training to them and bringing a difference to them is so much of, not only social service, but like a self-satisfaction that, you've been able to contribute and help someone grow or change their direction or be able to give their services in such a effective manner.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So Shraddha, you just had a baby.
Yes.
And most people think that women either choose to go on a long sabbatical or give up their careers because their priorities change. So what do you think about this situation?
So, okay. So yes, priorities do change. There is no doubt about that. You have one more member in your family, and it's okay if you want to take a break for some time to kind of nurture that new human being, because
Absolutely.
It may be a non-paid job or a no title job, but there is no better job than that, because you are nurturing a human being who just come into the world, have no knowledge, have no training of any sorts. So it's absolutely okay if you take a break to nurture them. Shouldn't be any guilt attached. Once the child grows a little bit, you find your comfort that okay, the child is starting to get more independent. You start getting comfortable with that, and that's when even you can start your parallel journey.
True.
You
Absolutely.
can start from where you have left. What happens is, a lot of times what happens when I speak to mothers is, I understand after a break of a certain time, it's a little difficult to find your motivation to get back to work. There are a lot of fears that, आप कैसे manage करोगे, how you're going to manage home, your child and your work. I've been in the situation, and for me, the answer is, सिर्फ करने पे पता चल रहा है कि हाँ, I'm able to manage. I also didn't have the answers. I just started going to work, and that's how I figured a balance. Okay, this is how I'm going to manage it. So it's only by doing it that you will be able to figure out or get your answers, and you can do it. It is just like
I think that's the beauty of being in the image consulting industry, that you don't have to do a 9 to 5 job or a 9 to 9 job, because you can be your own boss. I mean, you can decide when you want to work, and for you, a comeback was easier because you are right now a president of Image Management Professionals Association, where you are partially associated with the image industry, but you're not fully involved in the day-to-day rut.
Right.
So you are there, but you are equally not, completely into the rat race.
Correct. Also see with the changing times and everything, with technology, also the flexibility of that we get with image consulting software, that you can choose your slots. Okay, maybe you want to work 3 or 4 days a week, which is absolutely okay, and you want to give the rest 3 or 4 days to your family, which is also okay. So you kind of bucket your time accordingly and do it, and you can start at your own pace. Also with COVID happening, everything is happening online. So much more better. You have your laptop, everything at home. You can just start your work from home station and just go for it. But you just go for it. Do not wait for anyone, or do not wait for any answers. Just go for it, and you will find your answers.
I can actually completely relate to this because I know. So my daughter is about 26 years old and my son is about 8.
Huh. Huh.
So when I had my daughter, I was at that time I had. I mean, after my daughter was born, I had to immediately join the airline, and I actually couldn't give enough time to my daughter. So I was
Huh.
actually very, very guilty about the fact that I didn't have enough time to give to my daughter. And I mean, time just flew and then she just grew all of a sudden. But when it came to my son, I mean, I actually consciously decided that I will give enough time and I will make sure that I am always around him to see to it that I enjoy his childhood. I
Yeah.
mean, whatever I couldn't enjoy during my daughter's time, I will enjoy my son's, growing up phase. So at
Yes.
that point of time, I was my own boss, so I could, use that time, use that, leisure time to
Huh.
make sure that I'm around him, and I still make sure that all his important moments I capture. And I
Absolutely.
have consciously decided that my house and my office are at a distance of 5 minutes.
Huh.
So whenever required, I just immediately run home and I'm
Correct.
there, around my
Huh.
son. So all these things are really possible only when you are your own boss.
Absolutely. And also, like, even those moments, those life changing moments, like, if you're someone who's just got married, or you're someone, who just given birth to a child, those are equally important part of your lives. And you should guilt free enjoy those moments.
True, so true.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So enjoy these moments, Shraddha,
Yeah.
because there is no rush.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm going to tell you, that, I mean, don't be in a hurry to get back to work because you can always work and
Yeah.
take care of your child. There is nothing like you can't balance both.
Absolutely. True. I agree.
Yes. So can you share one of your more than a paycheck moment where you felt it was worth becoming an image consultant and a soft skills trainer?
Okay. So okay. So I'll tell you. So there have been many platforms where people have invited me to give a presentation, or give a talk and all of that. And there have been days where I probably am not feeling well still because of prior commitment. I had to do it, or it is. जब मैं वो training कर रही हूँ ना, it's in that moment, like whenever I'm on the stage or whenever I'm in a classroom taking a session, I'm just there. I'm so much involved and my energy is so high that I forget everything else. And this is something which has never happened to me in my life. There's nothing कि कुछ और भी काम कभी करती हूँ. I'm somewhere there. You're kind of multitasking and you're thinking something else, you're doing something else. But when I'm training, when I'm the trainer and I'm taking a session, I'm mindfully 100% there. And that is the high that I get, or that is the, I don't know, the satisfaction or the joy that I get being there. I think that is more than anything for me. I'm always the happiest when I'm doing a training. No matter, I've given sessions where I'm running a temperature of 102, where I've had a sore throat, where I'm juggling so many things. But when I am at the dais or I'm at the stage, I'm just there, and that's what gives me pure joy. So those moments, I know, like when I right now, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, I am able to feel that adrenaline of those moments. So I think that is more than anything for me.
Absolutely. I can completely relate and I can completely understand that the kind of excitement you get when you're there,
Yeah.
when you get the response from the audience, that itself is more than a paycheck moment for anybody. I mean,
Absolutely.
who can really completely relate to the audience at that very moment.
Yeah.
Great. So how do you stay relevant in today's times and how do you keep yourself updated?
So, in terms of keeping updated, so I've started using social media to my advantage. So, of course, Instagram, I follow a lot of people, I follow a lot of accounts. In terms of things that I want to learn, I want to keep myself updated on in soft skills, in image, in styling, in parenting. I have consciously followed accounts that is giving me knowledge on everyday basis. I do not get time to read books as much, so I have kind of signed up for Blinkist, which are audio books. So they kind of give me a gist and important points from. So I make sure that at least before I sleep, I listen to one audio book. So these two things have really helped me stay updated, and uh, I do have my notes or my diary where I keep writing some key points which help me in my future training. So I keep a note of those things. So next time, whenever I'm doing a session or someone asks me, I try to kind of club it together.
Okay, all right, great. So one last question, Shraddha, before we close this session. What is your message for all those people who are aspiring to become image consultants? One piece of advice for all of them.
So, everyone who has joined image consulting or who has taken up image consulting soft skills training, firstly, this is something that you have decided for yourself. And there was a reason that you took this up for, Don't forget or lose out on that reason. Towards the end of the course or towards the middle of the course, I have spoken to a lot of people where they start feeling fearful, आगे क्या होगा, course खत्म होने के बाद client कैसा आएगा, how am I setting up my business and all of that. Trust me, the answer is just in doing. सब हो जाएगा. But do not forget, you chose this field for a reason. You were passionate about taking something. Either, you were passionate about doing a training or creating a difference in someone's life. And just remember that passion, and trust me, everything will fall in place. You just keep working towards that passion and everything gets aligned. It's like, manifestation, right? It's like what you are sending out in the universe. You kind of attract that. So send out your passion and your passion will find a calling. Do not be fearful of anything. Image, I was speaking to someone else. Our community, especially here, ICBI and the Empire, everyone is a very supportive community. You can reach out to, there's so many platforms where you can reach out to people. They can happily answer your queries. They can help you set your flow. So make advantage of that. Take the first step. It's okay to take the first step. There is no judgment. This is a no judgment zone. We are a no judgment community, and we're just there to help you.
And I think the most important thing is that you cannot afford to be insecure in this industry.
Absolutely.
There is no room for insecurity.
Absolutely. And India is so big. Trust me, there is work for everyone. There is work for everyone happily. And it's actually true. When you actually help other people grow, that's when you grow. You don't like
compare the number of image consultants with the total number of people in India.
Yes.
The complete population of India. So there is no room for insecurity. Nobody has to feel insecure with the other people's Instagram profile or other people's number of followers. All these things are not to feel or judge people on the basis of all these things. So just do your work, focus on your goal, and I think just make sure that you know where you have to head and just focus on your target market. That is something which you have to completely put your focus on.
Absolutely, very good point that you said on that. Don't see the number of likes and number of, I know so many people who probably not very active on social media, but they're doing fantastic work outside. Everyone has a different calling, everyone has a different way of doing their work, everyone is contributing differently. So just focus on how you want to do. There is no place for comparison. Just learn, get inspired, ask for help.
Absolutely, absolutely. And just know that you have certain strengths because of which you have, arrived into this industry. This is something which is very important. And if you have arrived into this industry, you know your strengths and weaknesses. So encash upon your strengths, take care of your weaknesses, convert them into your strengths. So I'm sure if you really work on these areas, I don't see any scope for you to become insecure. So just work on these areas. I'm sure that you will be the most happy and most comfortable and most secure person on this earth.
Very true, very true.
All right, Shraddha. So thank you so much. This was a fantastic conversation, and I think we've had this conversation after a very, very long time.
Yes,
After
thank you,
you
ma'am.
left Mumbai, we've not interacted for so long.
Thank you, ma'am. Just last week, in my memory, if you remember, in 2016, you had started this series of conversation with consultants, and I think I and one another
Yes.
trainer, she was there with me. It had just popped up on my this thing. So yes, some good times, and I had a lovely, lovely time thinking of all my times from then to now.
I know, and I still recall the video that we made over here live at ICBI. If you
Yes,
remember.
I remember it was such a fun Sunday, and we had such
Yeah.
fun time shooting with Dolly and everyone. It was great. Had some
Absolutely,
really good time, and
absolutely. We
thank you
had
for
such a
getting
great
all
time.
those memories back. Really, some positive motivation to go ahead.
Yes. Yes. I'm so looking forward to meeting you in person. So I hope that we'll catch up soon.
Yes, ma'am.
And until then, all the very best to you.
Thank you.
And I hope that you have a great time with your little one. And
Thank you, ma'am.
wish you all the success. Wish you all the success.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank
thank
you
you
so
all
much.
the viewers. Thank you all the viewers. Until next week, stay in touch. We will see you next week once again. This is Shraddha and Suman Agarwal signing off for today. Bye. Bye, Shraddha.
Bye, bye, ma'am. Bye.